Do you think a will avoids probate? Hi, I'm attorney Tiffany Powell, owner of Tiffany Powell and Associates, located in the south suburbs of Chicago, where we handle estate planning, probate, and residential real estate for our probate clients only. Today, we will be continuing part 3 of our 3-part series on myths we tell ourselves about estate planning. If you missed myths number 1 and 2, then please check out the link below to access the playlist. So myth number 3 is a will avoids probate. Many people believe that if they hire a professional attorney, of course, to create the will, or even if they get a do-it-yourself will or some form they find online, that is sufficient to avoid probate. Unfortunately, they are wrong. So let's clear up the facts. Number 1, a will takes effect at death. So if someone is disabled, you can't take the will and show it to other people and think that is your opportunity to receive whatever they left you under the will. Number 2, when a person passes away, the will must be recorded with the clerk of the court. What does that mean? There are no secrets. A will is not a private document. It instantly becomes public because it is part of the probate process. That leads me to number 3, which is a will must be submitted to the probate court in order to be considered valid. And what do I mean by validity? 1, when you record the will, at the time of the probate hearing on the will itself, the judge is going to first and foremost validate it, making sure that the will within the 4 corners of the document meets the statutory requirements for it to be deemed a valid will. Secondly, the judge is going to make sure that the person named in the will to handle your final affairs is approved, meaning that they are available, willing to serve, and have the capacity to serve. So those things must happen in a court of law before a will be deemed valid. So yes, it is a process. Yes, it is a public process, but it doesn't make it bad. It can be useful in a number of different estates, especially if you're looking to give guardianship for children. You want to have a smaller estate and you want to make sure that the assets that you're transferring are done so swiftly and clearly, and even to deal with creditor claims. So it all depends. So what am I saying? A will is not a bad thing. Probate is not a bad thing, but I do encourage you to contact an attorney such as myself to discuss your needs, because failing to do so is a bad thing. So I'm Tiffany Powell. I'm here to talk to you at any time concerning your estate planning needs. Please click the link below so that you can watch all 3 videos for the myths we tell ourselves about estate planning. Thank you for this time. I hope you have an awesome day. Take care.